Hello friends, welcome to Coding Pirates YouTube channel. I am Praveen and in today's video we are going to complete our Flappy Bird game and we are going to play it and test what is our score. Let's get it started. Till now we have designed the UI of this game. Now we are going to give the key functionality. Okay, when we press a key it should move up or it should move down. Okay, for that first we should type pygame.event.get. See, this will get the event that is happening over in the screen, and we are going to give a variable called keys equal to um, pygame dot key dot get pressed. Okay, that's the function that we are using. This what's this means when we press any key it will detect it. That's the function of this function. Keys if keys pygame dot k k up. So what's this what does this means? If the key pressed is pygame dot kup, that's key up. Okay, then the value of the bird y position should be changed. So that should be bird y minus 3. So minus means going up, plus means coming down. Okay, then another thing, if keys pygame dot k down bird y is equal to bird y plus 6. Okay, while coming down the force of gravity will act more, right? That means when we are falling down it will happen faster than going up. So this just a mix of gravity over here. It's optional, you can also give bird y plus 3 also, it's your wish. And next, um what we are going to do is we are going to give poles. Okay, pole. um we should start it, but before that we should give clock dot tick 60. Okay, now let's test if it's working. Okay, now it's working fine, right? Now we are going to continue it. After this bird display dot bird x and bird y, now give pole x. If pole x, okay, it's a if condition. If pole x is greater than or equal to minus pole width pole x is equal to 320, top pole height is equal to rand int, that's random integer, 50 to 400. Then so this is the pole height. Okay, then okay, before that we should give one thing. Okay, pole x is equal to pole x minus 2, just some space from the ground. Okay, then after that random integer we should give the score. score equal to score plus 20. Okay, now anything will not work. Okay, we should complete our program and we should check it. Okay, now we are going to draw the pole. Okay, that's the pillar. In this case, pygame dot rect dot pygame dot no it's pygame dot draw dot rect, then it should be displayed in the display, and color should be the pole color that we have already gave, and pole x, that's the width, pole x 0, pole width, top pole height. Okay, next the another one. Okay, pygame dot draw dot rect display pole x. Okay, it's okay. No, then the color, right? Pole color, pole x, top pole height plus pole gap. Okay, plus pole gap, pole width, and 568. Okay, the height should be 568. Then let's just see the bars are coming over here. If I collide over that, it's not going to do, it's going to do nothing, right? Because we have not written program for the collision. Now our thing is to write the program for collision. If pole x is greater than or equal to, is less than or equal to bird x plus 50 and bird y, bird, no, it's I think it should be bird x, bird x is less than or equal to pole x plus pole width if bird y is less than or equal to top pole height or bird y is greater than or equal to top pole height plus pole gap, then break the loop. Okay, so let me explain this code for you. So the pole x, the expression of the bird is greater than, is less than or equal to bird x plus 50. Okay, since our bird is a square over here, no, it's yeah, its dimensions are 50 is to 50. Okay, then bird x plus 50, if it's less, then definitely it should be right, and bird x is greater, is less than or equal to pole x plus pole width. Okay, what it state means the x portion of the bird is less than or equal to the pole x, the x portion of the pole, and the width of the pole. If it's less or equal, then there's a chance of colliding. And the further filtration is if bird y is greater than or equal to top pole height or bird y is first one is bird y is less than or equal to top pole height. That means the position of the bird, the y position of the bird is less than or equal to the top pole height, the height of the first pole, or bird y is greater than or equal to top pole height plus pole gap. Okay, if it's greater means it will collide, right? Then if these two conditions satisfies, then it will break the loop. The last thing is to display the score. Before that we can just test it. Okay, I hit on the pole. Okay, I hit on the pole and the game over. That's the what does state mean? The loop is over. The whole while loop is over. Inside the while loop only, we should give the score. Okay, score. We are going to declare a new variable. That's score text equal to text dot render f string, then score, then the value of the score, that's score only, then it should be displayed. Okay, then the text color is white, then display dot block trust score text, and the position should be 0 and 0. That's the top left corner. Let's just run our program. Okay, now our program is over. So I have made an error in writing this program. I bet you that you could find this very easily, right? If you found this error, you can definitely comment me below this video. Then I'll be seeing your comments. Okay, you can type your answer. Okay, now the program is over. The last thing I wanted to add is, after this everything is over, right? I want to just print the score. Okay, print you have scored points. Okay, let me check it if it's working. Yeah, you have scored 0 points. That's it. Now I have scored 40 points and it's been displayed here. So that's about the whole game. It's a very simple logic, but the thing that you want to understand is the collision part over here. That's somewhat difficult. I'll say the collision and this pole, that's somewhat difficult. You should understand it. Okay, that's the main essence. But the UI is very simple. And beginner can a beginner can definitely design this UI. Many games have very good UI. Okay, you can also try making game UI using this. So that's it for this video, friends. I'll meet you in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, thank you. Keep coding. Bye bye.